Hello everyone, it's another day, beautiful day to go out. So I decided to take other means of transport because we've been having pollution warnings in the air. You can see there's a lot of fog, what looks like fog, but apparently it's pollution. So I didn't take any combustion vehicles. I used my trusted mountain bike. And I had to ride away from home because it's not safe to fly around there with a lot of people, and plus it's gonna have a lot of kids. So I came out into the wilderness, and today I'm going to be doing a test between a brand new DJI Mavic 2 battery versus an almost 2-year-old battery. And this will just tell you, will answer that question, is a new battery better and by how much? Obviously it's going to be better, sometimes they're not. When you receive the battery in the mail, most likely it will be dead. Not dead in the sense where it's dead, that you have to put in a grave. Dead in the sense that it's put itself in hibernation mode. So pressing the button, nothing's gonna happen. The only way to enable it is to plug it directly to an original charger. If you use a third-party charger or the battery bank, that might not be able to enable the BMS in the battery to tell the battery to switch on and charge. So the first charge was done to the battery, and I've chosen this location because it's covered by trees. So there's no actual flying away. It's just gonna go up and hover, and there's no wind. You could say it's a controlled test where there's no wind, there's no outside influence to affect the hovering and the performance of the battery. So we'll just do one flight of the new battery versus one flight of the old battery, and I'll put up the number of cycles on each battery and the production dates on each battery, because production date also plays a vital role in battery performance. All right, so here we go. Done with one battery, and we're on to the older battery, or the oldest battery that I have. We'll see what was the production date of the battery, how many cycles have it gone through, and how much time it has in the air. Look, at 21 and 26. So there you have it, guys. Hope this was good. Until next time, fly safe and God bless.